Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today we are discussing the develop team process. Now, as always, if you're into reading articles, if you would rather read about this process than watch a video, first link in the description will take you to a relevant article on this process over at our official website PMCLounge.com. So first link, very important. Also, second link is extremely important as it contains every single video that we have ever done on the resource management knowledge area. By the way, develop team is a process in resource management knowledge area. Let's get started and let's understand what this process is all about. All right, so let's talk about develop team here. Now, developing the team is among the many skills that the project manager requires. Developing the team. And what do we mean when we say develop team? By develop team, the understanding or the inference is that the project manager is going to build, is going to lead, is going to inspire and keep the project management team motivated at all times. The project team motivated at all times. Now, where are we? The classic question, like I mentioned, we are in the develop team process. This is part of resource management knowledge area and executing process group. Every other process that you see is already covered. Second link in the description will take you to the entire playlist of this knowledge area. So do check that out. It is all about the team. Developing the project team should result in improvement of people skills, technical competencies, and overall team environment. These are the three major areas that the project manager is looking to improve when we talk about develop team. So team environment should be such that it improves the teamwork, which is a critical factor for project success. So everybody knows a project team that works together, that has good team working skills, will definitely lead to a success in the project. It is a critical factor. Now, team members often have diverse industry experience, that's for sure. Communicate in multiple languages. Now, if you're handling a global project, that is also going to be true. And they work in diverse cultural diversity. That is where they work from. So you need to understand that the team is not a uniform group of team members. It has diversity, and you need to, as a project manager, you need to create an environment that facilitates the teamwork by promoting a climate of trust, resulting in team members working together as well as interdependently, not independently, interdependently. So it is important that the team members that come from different industry experience, they use different communication languages and they work in different cultural diversity. It is important that you as a PM create an environment of trust so that people from these varied cultures and backgrounds can come together and work together. Before we move further, I'd like to remind you pmclounge.com/pm101, a free 1.5 hour introduction to project management class. Do check that out. So, achieving high team performance. How do you create your team as a high performing team? That's the goal of every project manager out there. Trust me. So, what all do you need to do? Number one, you need to encourage collaborative problem solving and decision making. That's the step you need to take. Developing trust among team members, like I talked about in the previous slide as well, right? Team members come from different backgrounds and you need to make sure that you develop trust among them. Employing open and effective communication, very, very important and connected to the trust factor here as well. When you're open, when you have effective communication, it develops a feeling of trust for sure in the team. Creating team building opportunities, definitely look out for team building opportunities and be quick to jump on any of the opportunity that you find. And finally, managing conflicts in a constructive manner. Every project team is going to have conflicts, that is for sure. You are dealing with diverse people and they will have their own way of thinking, and that may lead to conflicts. That is most likely going to lead to conflict in every single project. And how do you manage those conflicts in a constructive manner defines how good of a project manager you are when it comes to develop team process. Let's finally look at the objectives of develop team. Number one is creating a dynamic, cohesive, and collaborative culture within the team. This will help in allowing cross-functional training because there will be cross-functional team members in your project, and mentoring between the project team members by sharing knowledge. So they can share knowledge so that they can mentor each other and they can do cross-functional training as well. Very, very important. Also, second point is it is going to improve productivity of the team members. It is going to improve team spirit. It is going to improve cooperation. So that is how you create a dynamic, cohesive, and collaborative culture within the project team. Empowering the team to participate in decision making, and finally take ownership of the solutions that they provide as a part of this decision making process, right? So when they are a part of the decision making process, they provide a solution, they need to take ownership of those solutions as well. Improving the knowledge and skills of team members, this is going to definitely increase their abilities as well, and this is going to help in completing the project deliverables. This is also going to improve schedules and quality of the project as well. So very important, improving the knowledge and skills of team members in all areas possible. Enhancing the feelings of trust and agreement among the team members. This is going to raise the team's morale. This is going to lower the conflicts. This is also going to increase teamwork. So these are the objectives of the develop team process. These 4 points on your screen right here are really good answers of people management, developing people as a project manager. So in a interview, if you are asked this question, you can definitely look at this slide and you can learn these answers to understand what people management, developing the project management team is all about. People management, not the entire thing, but just the developing project team is all about. This is the slide that has all the details. So very important slide. And when you are learning all these to clear interview exam or clear your PMP exam, I'd also like to tell you this is something that you should follow on your real life projects as well. And the question for this video is actually related to it. So what are some of the ways you have used to develop your project team? Let me know in the comments. I'm waiting for your answers. Must be a lot of fun. So that's all that we had in this video. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed it and got value out of it and you were able to understand the concept of develop team. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. And as always, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. Thank you.